Hi, also in this video I will show you how to convert the Windows 10 Home operating system to Windows 10 Pro. So first, if you go to these settings and update and security and activation, you can see this operating system edition is a Windows 10 Home single language. So I will show you how to convert it to Windows 10 Pro. So there is two methods to do it. The first one is using Windows 10 product key. So you can go to Microsoft Store and purchase a Windows 10 product key and click this change product key button, and then you can paste that key here and click next. After that, it will convert your operating system to Windows 10 Pro. So I'm not going to do that here. So if you have a product key, you can follow that step. The second method is to let's say if you have Microsoft account that has Windows 10 Pro key binder, you can click this go to store button, and if your Microsoft account has binded to Windows 10 product key, it will show option like this. So all you have to do is click this install button, and after that this pop up, click yes, let's go, and it will take some time and upgrade your Windows edition. After that, you will have to restart your computer. So now I have restarted my computer. So now if I go to Windows settings and update and security and activation, you can see my Windows edition is changed to Windows 10 Pro. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. So see you in the next video.